Hi, welcome to our channel where we bring history to life. Imagine a time when America was not a free country, when it was ruled by a distant king who made all the decisions, unfair laws, high taxes, and no voice in the government, led ordinary people to rise up against one of the strongest empires in the world. Today we will take a closer look at the American Revolution, struggle that gave birth to a new nation. How did a group of colonies defeat the mighty British army? Let's find out. In the early 17th, what we now call the United States was made up of 13 British colonies. These colonies were growing fast, people were farming, trading and sharing new ideas. But there was one big problem. The British government controlled everything and made rules that the colonists had no power to change. And the biggest issue, tax. The British started placing heavy taxes on goods like tea, paper and stamps. And the worst part, the colonists had no say in this decision. They believed that if they were paying tax, they should at least have a voice in the government. The idea sparked a massive movement for change, and when Britain ignored their complaints, the people decided it was time to fight back. In 1773, one cold night in Boston, a group of colonists disguised as Native Americans sneaked onto British ships. Their mission to protest against unfair tax. They dumped 342 chests of tea into the Boston harbor, sending a powerful message: no more unfair tax. The British government was furious. They tightened control over the colonies and sent more soldiers to keep order. Tension was rising, and soon things took a deadly turn. April 19, 1775, British troops marched toward Lexington and Concord to seize weapons from the colonists. But when they arrived, they were met by armed militias. No one knows who fired the first shot, but that single gunshot started a war that changed history forever. The American Revolution had begun. At first, the American fighters were in big trouble. The British army was powerful, well-trained, and had plenty of supplies. On the other hand, the colonists had no proper army, no steady supply of weapons, little experience in battle. But they had something stronger: the determination to fight for freedom. And leading them was George Washington. Washington was not a professional general, but he was smart. Instead of fighting Britain head-on, he used clever strategies to tire out the enemy. Till the early year of the war were tough. The British won several key battles and captured major cities. Many believed the revolution was doomed, but then everything changed. 1777, the Americans desperately needed a victory, and they got it at the Battle of Saratoga. Led by General Horatio Gates, American forces defeated the British in a surprising battle. But something even bigger happened. France noticed America's strength and decided to help. With France's support, the Americans received more weapons, more soldiers, a powerful navy, and suddenly the war took a new direction. But victory was not easy. During the winter of 1777 and 78, Washington army camped at Valley Forge. Cold was brutal. No proper food, no warm clothing, no shelter from the freezing winds. Thousands of soldiers died from hunger and disease. But instead of breaking apart, Washington army grew stronger. With the help of Baron von Steuben, a German officer, the American troops were trained to fight like real soldiers. By the time spring arrived, they were ready to face the British once again. 1781, Yorktown. With support from the French, Washington forces surrounded British General Cornwallis. The British were trapped. After weeks of fighting, Cornwallis surrendered. The war was over, and in 1783, the Treaty of Paris was signed, recognizing the United States as a free and independent nation. But this war was not just about America. It was about a new idea that people should have the right to govern themselves. The American Revolution inspired other freedom movements around the world, including the French Revolution 1789, independence movement in Latin America, the spread of democracy across Europe. The United States was born, and its story became a symbol of freedom, courage, and the power of the people. If you enjoyed this journey through history, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and tell us in the comments what do you think was the most important moment of the American Revolution. We will see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, keep questioning and keep learning. Take care.